Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your sensitivity curves with your Xbox Series Elite controller. And this is easy to do on your Xbox console. So press the Xbox button and then go to My Games and Apps right here and go to See All. Then scroll on down to Apps and we are looking for the thumbstick. Xbox Accessories. Go to this. Now choose your Xbox Elite controller under here and go to Configure. So we choose a profile that you use. So you could have a profile for Call of Duty, Battlefield, Valorant, or something like that. I don't think it will be on the Xbox, PlayStation, yes, but so choose a profile. So you can see profile 2. I have all the buttons remapped on the back, and then we can go to slot 1, slot 2, whatever. Then we can go to Edit. Once under Edit, tab on over to your right stick or your left stick. So typically, I'll just put this on my right stick, because this is the aiming stick. And you can check your dead zones too. So you can see it moving around on the right side. But we can go on down to sensitivity curve. So I have on aggressive. And if you look, I just have 2 adjustments on here. So it's just barely up a little bit. And this seems like it gets it in line with like how the PlayStation controller is. But go ahead and just try the different ones. I don't like a whole lot of increase in acceleration on my stick. I just like a little bit much so it picks up right away as opposed to being a little delayed. Otherwise you do have instant. I did like instant for a while, but I noticed some of my shots were kind of like jerky as I moved through those different movements. Then we got smooth. Smooth is okay. I think aggressive is, you can see the curve on the left. It's a gradual curve increase versus something that just shoots up. So you might notice that you're overshooting specific targets with that one. So just aggressive, I think, is the best one. We got delayed. So you can try these out to see if you like any of these in your game. So yeah, then you got the triggers right here. You can adjust these vibration. You got your different colors. And then you can do it for the left stick or the right stick as well. But under here it says calculations radial. You can go to different ones right here. I didn't mess around with any of these, but you could. Radial seems like it would be the best. So just true diagonals, you could try that as well. And then just test it out on the right to see how much stick you are moving. So you can see it there. And then hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.